Hi everybody, this is Rishima Jaju. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm craving something really hot and crispy. So I'll not be stretching this introduction today. Instead, I'm gonna be stretching some gooey cheese. So as you might have guessed, we're making mozzarella cheese sticks. So without wasting any time, let's start cooking. The ingredients are coriander, rice flour, half a cup, salt, corn flour, makke ka atta, a little less than half a cup, a pinch of onion powder, some minced garlic, mixed herbs and oregano, crushed pepper, red chili flakes, mozzarella cut into strips, breadcrumbs, which I made at home by toasting them in the microwave and then grinding them in a mixer. Make sure they're not too fine, you want it to be coarse. And oil for frying. So I'm going to heat some oil on low flame and just make sure we're going to deep fry the mozzarella sticks. So use a good amount of oil. Meanwhile, let's make the batter and coat the mozzarella sticks. The garlic, when we fry it, when we keep it in the oil, it gives out a really nice flavor, and that flavor is absorbed by our mozzarella sticks. Be careful. Yeah, see, it's sizzling. That means the oil is ready. See that? Now we're gonna fry our coriander. They're gonna get really crispy. I'm really excited to try these. Now trust me, these are so good, literally. As you can see, it's over. Even before the video finished. Do try it at home. I'm sure every single person who's gonna eat this is gonna love it. So be sure to try out this simple but tasty recipe. And take care of yourself. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye, and please subscribe, like and share and comment this video.